Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, I'm beauty expert Jane. On my channel, you're gonna find anything from makeup tutorials, product reviews, and some behind the scenes vlogging with my husband. I try to create at least 1 to 2 videos per week, so if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. In this video, I'm gonna share my top 4 favorite MAC matte lipsticks. So let's jump right in. So I've been getting so many questions on how to choose the best lipstick. So today I'm gonna focus on my go-to lipsticks that work with all ages and all skin tones. The 4 colors that I will be reviewing today is Ruby Woo, Diva, Velvet Teddy, and Please Me. All of the lipsticks that I'll be talking about are available at any MAC Cosmetics store, online, or partnered locations. So I'll make sure I leave a link down below so you can check out all the shades I've talked about today. So I'm gonna share with you guys a little pro tip. I use my MAC Prep and Prime lip primer before any lipstick application. If you're worried about dry, cracky lips or your lipstick bleeding throughout the day, this is the game changer. So lipstick number 1 is Ruby Woo. It's a perfect cool blue red. It works on all skin tones and it just has this beautiful rich color. One thing I love about a polished red lipstick is you can wear it by itself. You can do a little liner, mascara, or you can even pair it up with a beautiful, bold, smoky eye. Oh my gosh, so you guys can see the pigment is incredible. And one thing I love about lipsticks, if you really want the color to shine even more, keep adding. And if you want something more subtle and gentle, feel free to add a little bit and pat it on with a little bit of napkin. Wow, so I love this color. I never get sick of it because it's so polished, and because it does have a cool blue red tone in it, it really does work for all skin types. So whether I'm wearing it in the winter time, summer, it just really brings the look together. And of course today I'm just doing a soft bronze glam, but look at how a polished red lip just makes me look like I put so much effort, but really it was really effortless. So Ruby Woo is one of my first go-to lipsticks. Moving on to lipstick number 2, Diva. If you guys haven't heard of Diva yet, you need to try it. It is the perfect burgundy berry. And Diva, it works again for all ages, all skin tones, and it's a great bold lip if you're not necessarily a fan of red. And it's just so sultry in the most effortless way. Look at that. And as you can see, the color payoff is incredible. Wow, I feel pretty fabulous. So unlike Ruby Woo, it's so bold, but it's not so in your face. And I love it for nighttime or especially fall and winter. This is so beautiful with a bronze eye with a little bit of gold, but you can totally wear it in the summer and spring as well. So just have fun, but Diva, I swear by it. It works with all skin tones, and that's the coolest part. All right, lipstick number 3. So I'm gonna be honest, I was a little skeptical about nudes, but I finally found my go-to nude lipstick that seriously works for all skin tones. It is called Velvet Teddy. So again, if you haven't heard about this or you haven't had a girlfriend talk about this, it is the perfect nude that doesn't wash you out. So I can't wait to share it with you guys. It is beautiful. So you guys can probably tell why I love this nude. It has a little bit of peachy tones, a little bit of coral. So even though I call it a nude, you don't need to think about like the lightest shade on a lipstick collection, but it just has that soft, subtle touch. And again, you can really wear this any time of the year. So whether you have a smoky eye or a natural makeup look, this just gives you that beachy, bohemian Cali vibe. So I am loving this, and I hope you guys do too. So the final lipstick that I'm gonna show you is called Please Me. I seem to wear this almost 5 times in a week because it's just the perfect pastel nude pink. Can't wait to share with you guys. That is stunning. Ooh, that is stunning. So Please Me, as you can see, it is just a perfect pastel nude pink, and I love embracing kind of the bohemian Cali beach bum vibe. So it kind of looks like Barbie, I think. So yeah, if you're looking for a pretty nude, again, this works with all ages, all skin tones. You can also pair it up with an effortless natural eye, or even do a sexy, sultry, smoky eye. So check it out if you haven't already, Please Me lipstick. Now that was a really fun video. I hope you guys enjoyed my favorite MAC matte lipsticks. And I love hearing from you guys, so leave a comment down below, and I want to know out of these 4 shades what you're excited to try. Catch you in the next video.